Today we're going to cook some pork ribs. We've got a set of spare ribs here. We're going to trim them down into St. Louis, which removes the rib tips. Season them with my swine and dine rub. So let's get into it. So the ribs have come out of the smoker. They're at about 80 degrees internal. We're ready to wrap them. For the wrap, we're going to apply a little bit of butter and honey, go meat side down, wrap it all up nice and tight, and then it goes back into the smoker until they're nice and tender. And there's my St. Louis ribs. Swine and dine for the rub, no sauce, just a honey butter wrap, and look at that colour.